Hey everybody, now I'm going to do a song that's on my new EP. Oh man, I'm in the wrong key. It's going to be on my new EP, and I need help with it. So if you're willing to help, I have a donation site. I'm about to have a pledge site, and it's going to be amazing. With everybody's help, it'll be amazing. And hopefully I'm in the right key this time. But this is called Bring on the Rain. I did this in a piano version when I first wrote it, and but I'm going to do it in a guitar version right now. If I can remember it. I've been watching those runaway planes take off out into the storm, staring through the rain, wondering which one that you might be on. Down on my knees, begging God if He can take away this pain. But every heart attack that comes from watching you fly away, and do everything that He can just to make you stay. And bring on the rain, turn it into a massive hurricane. Bring on the thunder, do whatever it takes. If only I had the power inside of me. So bring on the rain and make you stay. I remember those nights, just you and I snuggled up on the couch. It'd be pouring so hard that every light in the house would go out. Then the lightning would strike so bright that it would make it hard to see. But the part I loved is that the thunder would make you jump into me. And I prayed it would keep coming down so you'd never leave. Bring on the rain, turn it into a massive hurricane. Bring on the fun.